Hey, Richard here with AGA Tools. Today I want to talk to you about the Clean Oil Starter Kit. The Starter Kit is part of our Clean Oil series, a cleaner, faster, and safer way to change oil. Imagine changing oil in less than 10 minutes without any oil spills, meaning it doesn't get on your hands, your clothes, your workbench, on the floor. You're probably thinking it's too good to be true or that's not possible. Give me a few minutes and I'll show you how the Clean Oil Starter Kit can do that for you. The kit contains 3 components: the Clean Oil Drain Plug, the Clean Oil Drain Tool, and the Clean Oil Evacuator. The Clean Oil Drain Plug is available in different sizes and is a direct replacement for the OEM plug. It has a low physical profile, an internal plunger, an anodized aluminum cap that properly seals the plug to prevent contamination from elements such as dirt, mud, salt, and water. The Clean Oil Drain Plug is easy to install. You can do it while doing a standard oil change, or if you don't want to drain any oil, use your crankcase vacuum regulator. Once the plug is installed, changing oil is a breeze. Simply connect the drain tool to the plug and open the valve. Next, use the Clean Oil Evacuator to create vacuum. The vacuum unit can be hand-powered with its built-in hand pump, or for automatic vacuum, simply connect it to your compressed air source. The old oil is transferred directly into the vacuum canister for safe storage and transportation for recycling. AGA also offers a clean oil change pump for even faster oil transfer, which is excellent for larger volume oil changes. Let me show you how you can use the Clean Oil Starter Kit at home. With a 19mm socket, remove the dust cap off the Clean Oil Drain Plug. Install the Clean Oil Drain Tool by turning the knob on the tool. Turn the engagement knob to open the plunger inside the drain plug. Turn on your air compressor to start the draining process. The oil inside the vehicle will get transferred over to the evacuator. Once the oil is drained, the drain hose will shake, indicating that there's only air being transferred. Close the plunger by turning the engagement knob with your air compressor still on. Doing this will remove any oil left over inside the drain tool. Caution: tool may be hot if oil is at running temperature. Remove the drain tool. Install the dust cap and torque to 60 centimeters or 5.3 inch-pounds. If it's easier, tighten the dust cap till the O-ring is seated and there's no gap between the dust cap and the plug. If you've been thinking about a cleaner, faster, and safer way to do oil changes without breaking the bank, the Clean Oil Starter Kit is perfect for you. Visit our website, agatools.com, or give us a call to order your Clean Oil Starter Kit today.